When you're out of breakfast ideas and you have some eggplant, zucchini, some capsicum in your fridge, try out this easy and simple omelette recipe, which is going to turn out mouth-watering and just worth trying. Because the recipe is very versatile, you can add in any vegetables of your choice, whether it's broccoli or even cauliflower, and the omelette is going to turn out perfect. I chose to add in some eggplants and zucchini because they're the least used vegetables when it comes to breakfast recipes. And trust me, the omelette has turned out very delicious. The veggies are cooked perfectly and the flavor is just so good. You're going to start off by chopping your vegetables into small pieces, and I'm going to be using half of each vegetable. So I'm going to cut my eggplant in half, my zucchini, and my red capsicum. Next, I'm going to chop up. Then I'm going to chop the vegetables into small pieces. Pick my zucchini, cut in half. Place aside my eggplant. I'm going to cut off the end, cut in half, and then dice. Make sure all the veggies are bite-sized pieces. Place my eggplant aside, and lastly, I'm going to be chopping one small onion. Dice my onion a little bit. Once you're done chopping up your vegetables, your chopping board is going to be looking very lovely because we have different colors. We have some reds, greens, some purplish, and also some magentas from the onions. So it's going to make our omelette very gorgeous. Moving to my stove top, I'm going to place a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil because we're going to be frying our vegetables. Once your cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in your onion and saute until soft, and that is going to take around 1 minute. I'm using a small pan for this recipe because I'm going to be making 3 eggs for my omelette. So once your onions are soft, you're going to be adding in the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add in my capsicum, my zucchini, eggplant. Then I'm going to stir in all the vegetables and cook until the veggies are a little bit soft. Now I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube, but you can switch with some salt if you don't have a beef seasoning cube. I find that the seasoning cubes adds in a very nice flavor to our omelette. Stir in the seasoning cube into the pan, and while the veggies are cooking, the seasoning cube is going to infuse into the veggies, making the veggies very delicious. As my veggies are softening up, I'm going to be cracking in 3 eggs in a small bowl. Using a fork, I'm going to whisk in the eggs. You're going to cook your veggies for around 2 minutes over medium-low flame. You're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in a little bit more salt. And this is how my veggies look at this point. So I'm going to add in my eggs. Stir in the eggs a little bit so that all the veggies can combine together with the eggs. And then I'm going to cover, reduce the flames to low, and let my eggs cook for around 2 minutes because I love my eggs well done. As soon as you cover your pan, the eggs are going to slowly start cooking, absorbing in all the nice flavors and seasoning. So it's going to take around a minute. And then you're going to use your lid or a plate to flip your omelette so that it can cook the other side for around 30 seconds. Once done, you're going to transfer to a plate and just look how gorgeous my omelette is looking. I love that you can see all the vibrant colors from our vegetables and the eggs are perfectly cooked. A non-stick pan is the perfect pan for this recipe because it's going to be very easy for you to flip and cook your omelette. So it's been around 5 minutes and my breakfast is ready and it's just looking amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy breakfast omelette recipe.